Hi, I'm Ralph G. I'm an HVAC engineer here at Van Air. Today we're going to be going over the EPEQ IM HVAC system, some of its features and benefits that it could have for you and your fleet. Built for work vans, vocational trucks, and even Class 8 fleets, EPEQ Idle Management HVAC automatically maintains cab comfort while reducing fuel consumption, lowering emissions, and minimizing engine wear without idling. This is the EPEQ IM plug-and-play controller. It can either fit outside your vehicle or inside your cab, behind the seat, under the seat, wherever you can fit it. All the internal components are IP67 rated. It is the device that's actually communicating back and forth with the vehicle to shut it off, turn it back on, and any other actual system that is working with EPEQ as well. So this is the EPEQ IM auxiliary 48 volt unit. Inside we have a 12 to 48 converter, a 48 to 12 volt inverter, the AC controller, and also our display. This is what's communicating back and forth with our actual controller to turn on things like your AC, your heat, provide power to the vehicle when the vehicle's off, and then any other EPEQ system that you might have on your vehicle, whether it's an Air 20, Air 45, EPTO, or EPEQ Power Center. So what makes the EPEQ IM system so unique is its integration seamlessly to the OEM factory HVAC system. The process is simple. Pull up, place the vehicle in park, and walk away. The EPEQ system automatically monitors cabin temperature, battery voltage, and electrical loads. The system performance is actually pretty impressive. You get 15,000 BTUs of heat or cooling, depending on the season, and it already uses your factory system vents, so you don't have to do anything else except for just walk away from your cab. Better yet, it's fully automatic. With built-in intelligence, the system starts, stops, and adjusts based on your fleet's parameters. No switches, no guesswork, just compliance with zero driver interaction required. While maintaining climate control, EPEQ IM also keeps critical accessories powered, including lights, radios, laptops, and other job site equipment. The vehicle's safety systems are also active, meaning in case of an accident with a parked vehicle, the airbags will still deploy. If you wanted the 3 reasons why you should invest in an EPEQ IM system: 1, you're going to save on fuel; 2, you're going to save on maintenance, less engine wear and tear; and 3, the automatic seamless transition between internal combustion engine and electrification.
For more information on the EPEQ Idle Management HVAC system, visit epicidlemanagement.com.